Fasting heals all illnesses in the body. This method should not be applied to those who are just starting to fast. Before entering the fasting period, if we do not talk to the body and suddenly fast, the body will fall into a state of fatigue and craving. But if we talk to our body first, the body will be able to prepare and cooperate very well. Fasting becomes easy and does not feel hungry. If you want to fast for a few days, tell your body that you want to fast for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 7 days or more. We choose a quiet place, find a comfortable position for ourselves. We can sit cross-legged, half lotus, or lie down to relax on the floor, on the ground, or in the middle of the garden. First, we will relax the head, relax the eyes, relax the ears, relax the cheeks, relax the mouth, relax the chin, relax the neck, relax the shoulders, relax the hands, relax the fingers, relax the back, relax the left side, the right side, relax the buttocks, the calves, the knees, the calves, relax the feet and toes, relax the internal organs in the body. Put your hands on the heart to feel the softness, the breath rising and falling. We begin to communicate with the body. Dear body, thank you for being with me for so many years. Thank you for letting me feel the beautiful life. I really thank you. I'm also sorry I didn't take good care of you. So many times I made you tense, stressed, and in pain here and there. You told me that your body was hurting, but I ignored you. I didn't pay attention to you, didn't come back to hug you, to soothe, to balance. I'm really sorry, I was wrong. I hope you forgive me. I'm sorry I didn't take good care of you. I hope you forgive me. I'm sorry I didn't take good care of you. Please forgive me. Dear body, I really thank you. From now on, I will take better care of you. I will love you more. I said I can. I will definitely do it. I must love you more. I need to take good care of you. I need to love you more. I said I can. I will definitely do it. I must love you more. I needed to take good care of you. I need to love you more. I said I can. I will definitely do it. Dear body, these days I will leave you in the hands of nature. I turn to the Supreme Being to be cleansed inside and rejuvenated. Dear body parts, thank you for your cooperation. Starting today, we will enter the fasting period together in a joyful state. Through the fasting process, we will become healthier, happier. From now on, we will begin to explore our inherent potentials, entering the state of neither eating nor hunger, neither drinking nor thirst, a refreshed spirit, a balanced body and mind, restoring the original state, an optimistic spirit. I will completely control all states during these days. I will not let any false feeling of hunger make me stop the fasting process. On this day, I will leave you in the hands of nature. I turn to the Supreme Being to be cleansed inside and rejuvenated. I completely believe in the power of nature. Nature will heal us. Dear body, do you know? Every minute of fasting makes us push out the toxins from our body. Every second of fasting makes our body happier. Every hour of fasting makes our body cleaner, better. When we fast, we are using the method to clean our body, mind, and spirit that the great teachers of humanity have used for centuries. You see, the miracle of fasting will come to us. We will accompany each other in these days. We will be so happy. I believe you and I will overcome. Always be grateful and love. Signs and symptoms during and after the fasting period. 1. Feeling hungry. 2. Thirst. 3. Fatigue. 4. Bad breath. 5. Dizziness, lightheadedness. 6. Headache. 7. Poor sleep, waking up. 8. Body aches. 9. Fever. 10. Toothache, bleeding, pus in the gums. 11. Nausea, vomiting. 12. Palpitations, shortness of breath, rapid heartbeat. 13. Sharp pain in the heart area. 14. Muscle pain due to excessive exercise. 15. Burning and painful urination. 16. Early menstruation and abnormal menstrual bleeding due to problems with the appendages. 17. Lower abdominal pain, bleeding. 18. Cold infection. Runny nose, sinus pain. 20. Sore throat, hoarseness, loss of voice. 21. Red rash on the skin, itching. 22. Flatulence, stomach and intestinal pain, abdominal rumbling. 23. Black stools. 24. Fainting, dizziness. 25. Swelling, inflammation of the jawbone. 26. Inflammation of the salivary glands. 27. Symptoms of epilepsy in people with brain metastases. Detailed instructions for eating after ending of fasting periods for health. Depending on the length of the fast, the ending will be different. If the fasting period is short, 1 week or less, the problem is relatively simple. For long-term fasting periods, 2 to 3 weeks or more, ending the fasting period is extremely important, and it is necessary to pay attention to it and carry it out seriously. Ending a short-term fasting period, 1 week or less. Drink a cup, 200 ml of lemon juice mixed with sugar, or better yet, honey, should be used with warm water, to clean the digestive tract. About 5 to 15 minutes later, eat a banana, but do not chew it thoroughly, so that the banana pieces act like a sponge to clean the intestinal wall. After about 30 minutes to 1 hour, eat well-cooked porridge, preferably brown rice porridge with salt. After 3 to 4 hours, you can eat rice, but it should be soft and chewed thoroughly. Brown rice is even better. End of a long-term fast, a week or more. Usually, the most important sign that a long-term fast is over is that the symptoms of the disease are no longer seen. The stomach is hungry, and the feeling of real appetite is felt. At this time, symptoms such as heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature return to normal. Breath is fragrant. The bitter taste in the mouth is gone. The tongue is clean. The tongue can be clean long before the disease ends. Urine is clear, skin reactions and other reactions all return to normal, proving that toxins and waste have been eliminated. The disease is completely cured. The time required to resume eating is proportional to the duration of the fast and the health condition of the practitioner. Here is a typical re-eating process after a long fast for readers to refer to and apply creatively and appropriately for their long fasts. 1. On the first day, drink a glass, 100-200 ml of roasted brown rice water every hour. On the second day, drink 2 glasses of roasted brown rice water every 2 hours, like on the first day. On the third day, eat 3 to 5 meals of thin brown rice porridge with salt water. Note to only use white salt or stewed salt. Do not use dipping sauces or seasoning powder, and do not eat too much. On the fourth day, eat like on the third day. On the fifth day, eat 4-6 meals of brown rice porridge stewed with very soft red beans and salt, but do not eat too much. On the sixth day, eat the same as on the fifth day, but the porridge is thicker. On the seventh day, eat porridge like on the sixth day, and can add carrot soup, pumpkin cooked until soft. On the 8th day and onwards, it is best to eat according to the health-preserving method. Formula number 7, chew thoroughly and avoid refined foods, white sugar, rice with no bran, industrially processed foods and drinks such as MSG, canned foods, bottled soft drinks, etc. The way to eat during the transition period depends on the weather, physical condition, and health status of each person. In general, weak people should eat light food for longer. In the cold season, they should eat hotter food. In the hot season, they should eat cold food. However, you should not eat cold food and drinks, especially absolutely do not drink ice water. Fasting is the best way to remove toxins from the body. It is a surgical method that doesn't require the use of a surgery knife. Thanks for watching the video.